Hello everybody and welcome to the first video notes of semester 2 and the new year. Today's unit 4, we're starting a new unit, day 1, and today we're going to be thinking about how are addition and subtraction related. Today's video is dedicated to Naomi in 6A. Hi Naomi. Let's take a look at our guided example here on the left, and it's asking us to draw a tape diagram. And if you remember from last semester, tape diagrams is when you use boxes to represent amounts. So we're drawing a tape diagram to represent the following expression. And our expression is 5 plus 4. So the way that we can draw this is, first we'll do 5. So you just draw out 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. So all of that right there is going to be 5. And then we're adding 4 boxes to it, so we have to add on another 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the next 4 boxes in my tape diagram. We'll label it just like this. There's 4, and we have 5 plus 4, and so all together we will have, you can count it up or you can add it up, we'll have 9 boxes. Pretty simple. For these, they give you the diagram and you have to figure out what the expression would be. Well, for this one we have 2 boxes, and then we're adding it to 1, 2, 3 boxes. So our expression is 2 plus 3. Down here, we have 1, 2, 3 boxes, and we're adding it to 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. It's just like that. Okay, pretty easy. Now you're going to try this on your own. Let's pause the video and try C and D. Let's pause and do that now. And now you are resuming the video to check your answers. Let's see how we did. Draw a tape diagram for 3 plus 6. That would look like this. 1, 2, 3 right here. And then another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the 6. So we have 3 plus 6. Altogether that would give us 9. This one right here is 1 plus 2. This one here is 3 plus, let's count it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 8. If you got all those on your own, 3 gold stars for you. And let's move up. Okay. So now we're going to think about what is an identity. I want you to go ahead and circle this word right here. Identity. We're going to come back to what that means in math in just a second. In our guided example, it's asking us to draw a tape diagram again to represent the following expression: 3 plus 2 minus 2. So here's how we can do that. Let's start with the 3. So here we have 3. And then we're going to add 2, plus 2. So then we add 2. But then the last thing it's asking us to do is to subtract 2. So the way that we can subtract 2 is we just cross out what we added. So 3 plus 2 and then minus 2 means we take out those 2, which means we take out this So in the end, we're just left with 3. So now that we've done this example together, what I want you to do is read problem B, try this on your own, and then when you're done with this one, I also want you to answer the questions C and question D on your own. So B, C, and D, you're going to pause and try those on your own. Let's do that now. And now you are resuming the video to check your work. Remember, only after you've tried these 3 on your own. Because if you're not pausing and trying it on your own, then you're not really challenging yourself to learn. Draw a tape diagram for 2 plus 6 minus 6. So we'll start with 2. It's this right here. Then we're going to add 6 on. Here's 6. After we add 6, then we're going to subtract 6. We're going to take out this. And then we're just left with 2. So what's something that you noticed in each of these examples above? There's more than one correct answer here, but one thing you might say is the amount that you added was the same amount you subtracted. Okay, and at this point I'm also going to tell you the secret word. The secret word is January. Like this month, January. And if you're not sure how to spell it, you can always look up at the board at the date, because the secret word is January. For part D, whenever you start with a number, you add an amount, and then subtract the same amount, what do you end up with? Well, that's what we did in each of these. We started with 3, we added 2, and subtracted 2, and got 3. Here, we started with 2, we added 6, and then subtracted 6, and we left with 2. So we're always going to end up with the same number we started with. So anytime you add and subtract by the same amount, you end up with the same number we started with. So in math, an identity, coming back to this word, right, identity, an identity is when you end up with the same number. The same original number. Original number. And that's what an identity is. And with that,
Thank you so much for playing my game.